all MSI pure performance creator PC build. In the last couple of weeks, we built so many gaming PCs and setups, right? In those videos only, I got a lot of comments from you people asking me to build like creator oriented PC builds as well, especially for like productivity, content creation, maybe like photo editing, video editing, and these sort of stuff. So main idea and concept was we don't want RGB lighting, no flashy stuff. We just want like pure performance, value for money PC build, and that is what I'll be doing exactly in this video. It's gonna be a lot more informative and also educational, so make sure to watch this video till the end, guys. And not only that, each and every item that is used in the PC build, the component or product, is like hand picked, that offers creator oriented features which you might have never seen before. For example, take into consideration the case that we'll be using. As I've told you, the whole theme and concept is we are building like an all MSI creator workstation PC, and the case is also a brand new model called as the Gungnir 300p. And this case literally has like 7 fans, 7 different size fans for maximum airflow and improved thermal management. So we'll be talking about all of these features in this video. And one more point I have to mention is, by building this PC, right, I'm not just investing on it, I'm also earning money at the same time. If you want to understand what I'm saying, right, you will have to watch it till the end, guys. Then only you will understand what I'm actually talking about. First of all, let me tell you about the specs and configuration. So guys, whenever you're building a PC, right, choosing components can totally depend on your end result and applications. Basically, what are you going to use this PC for? For example, today we are building like a creator edition PC for productivity sake, right? So when you're building a PC for this sort of concept or theme, you'll have to invest more on the CPU. Your CPU needs to be more powerful than the GPU, guys. So basically, you'll need more number of cores, more number of threads. That is how it will help you with the productivity stuff, especially for like photo or video editing. For example, in case of gaming, right, there you don't need that powerful CPU. You don't need i9 and stuff. Even your Intel i7 will get your job done, or i5 also if you're tight on a budget. There, GPU is more important. So that is how you'll be wisely spending your money. And for today's work scenario, right, that is the reason we have went with Intel's 14th gen i9, guys, monster CPU that has like 24 cores, 32 threads, max turbo clock of up to 6 gigahertz, and is like a behemoth CPU, guys. This is what we'll be using. Pair that with MSI's Ventus 3X RTX 4070 OC edition GPU that has like 12 gigs of GDDR6X memory, and this sort of configuration is like superb even for your 4K video editing. You'll have like a seamless performance. We'll talk about all of the benchmarks performance at a later part in the video. And yes, you can even use it for gaming. Who's gonna stop you? But again, as I've told you, if gaming is your need, right, instead of i9 you can go for maybe like an i5 or i7 and spend the extra budget on the GPU. Instead of 4070, go for something like a 4070 Super or 4080 also. And talking about the RAM, totally RAM and storage is going to be next gen. We'll be using DDR5 RAM from Kingston Fury Renegade, 16x2, 32 GB in dual configuration, 6000 MT per second, and pair that with a 1 TB PCI Gen 4 SSD from MSI Spatium series. So this is what we'll be using. Now coming to the main highlights of the build: motherboard, PC case, cooler, and the power supply. Motherboard is quite special over here, guys. This is MSI's all new MPG series Z790 Carbon Max Wi-Fi 2, and this motherboard is literally made for all the creators and has lots of creator oriented features. First of all, this motherboard features a brand new DIY friendly design. You don't need any sort of screwdrivers. No, it is completely toolless design. The heatsink simply pops out like this and makes your SSD installation very convenient. So great for all the creators out there. And not only that, in the package, right, the motherboard also comes with a USB 4 PD 100 watt expansion card included free. So this expansion card offers you like super fast data transfer rates with up to 40 Gbps transfer rates, guys. Madness is what I can say. And not only that, using this expansion card, you can even connect like external multiple number of devices, enabling up to 8K 60 display transmission. And last but not the least, guys, you're also getting like next gen connectivity. Wi-Fi 7 is there, 5 gigabit Ethernet is also there, USB Type-C with super fast data transfer rates. All of these are included. Now moving on to the case, as I've told you at the beginning, case is quite special over here. This is MSI's MPG Gungnir 300p Airflow Edition case, and this case literally has like fully airflow oriented design, guys. You're getting literally 7 different size fans on board for maximum airflow, and also has like a beautiful diamond cut mesh pattern on the front side. And not to miss out, it also has like included vertical GPU mount bracket, and also comes with a pre-included PCI 4.0 riser cable as well. So you're ready to go for vertical GPU mounting out of the box, no extra accessories needed. On top of that, you're also getting like a fully adjustable GPU holder as well that has like beautiful RGB lighting as well. So obviously for this PC build, I will be vertically mounting that 4070 GPU from MSI, guys. And when you vertical mount a GPU, right, it has like a dedicated fan on the bottom side that will help cool down the GPU for improved performance, thermal performance. So we'll be talking about all of that in this video. And what else is left? Cooler and power supply, right? See, I've told you, right, Intel's 14 Gen i9 is a monster CPU and definitely gets like very hot during usage, guys. So for this, I would advise you to go for like a minimum 360mm AIO cooler only, guys, for best possible results. Here also we'll be using MSI's MAG series Core Liquid M360 cooler. This also offers like excellent performance. You'll get to see the thermal performance anyhow in this video. And last but not the least, talking about the power supply, for this sort of configuration, 850 watt power supply would be more than enough, and that is the reason we'll be going with MSI's MAG series A850GL. This is a ATX 3.0 compatible PCI 5.0 ready power supply, guys, and is like more than enough for this sort of requirement. So that is pretty much it, our complete configuration. Now without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the build. Whoa, now that looks pretty nice, right? This all MSI creator workstation looks absolutely bussin', man. And you know, the main highlight would be that vertically mounted Ventus 3X GPU, guys. Definitely adds to the overall looks and aesthetics. Chat, what do you people think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, just have a look at these beautiful shots and I hope you enjoy the video. And boys, here's our all MSI creator workstation I was talking about. We have a brand new monitor in the house today from MSI. It's their esports gaming monitor. Model is called as G321Q and has like very interesting features. It's a 1440p monitor, IPS panel, 170Hz high refresh rate with 1 millisecond super fast response time, guys. And good thing is the monitor also has like a dedicated sRGB mode for all the creators. So it's like multi-purpose, I would say, good for both creators as well as gaming purpose as well. Anyways, let's finally get into the benchmarks and talk about the performance of this PC. Now I've already ran a couple of benchmarks like Geekbench and stuff. Just have a look at these scores. In the meanwhile, let me tell you my day-to-day performance with this thing. See, the main purpose of building this PC was for like creators, right? Basically for like productivity, content creation, photo editing, video editing and stuff like that. And for that, I've already shown you all the creator oriented brand new components from MSI and how convenient it makes things for all the people out there. Anyways, if you talk about the overall day-to-day performance, again, as I've told you, this PC is powered by Intel's 14th Gen i9 14900K paired with MSI's RTX 4070 Ventus 3X edition GPU with 12 gigs of GDDR6 memory. There is nothing less you can expect over here. This is like a dream PC for content creation and workstation purpose, guys. No matter what sort of application or workload you throw at it, it handles it like a breeze. For example, right now as you can see, we've been doing a bit of Photoshop and also video editing on Premiere Pro, and the performance was like really good, guys. No matter how intense graphical applications workloads you throw at it, right, it was handling it very well. And not only that, coming to Premiere Pro, I've also done a bit of 4K video editing over here. One of my videos only, which is shot in like 420, here 10-bit 4K format, that too at 50 FPS, and the PC was handling all the video editing, timeline performance, everything was like really smooth, guys. As you can see, there is no sort of lag or stutter on the timeline, very smooth performance. And not just this, even the render times was also very good, guys. A 8-minute 4K 50 FPS 10-bit file could be exported in less than 3 minutes. That is the kind of performance we are getting over here. And if you are thinking that this is only for content creation, no man, that is where you're wrong. You can also do a bit of gaming as well. And to show you that, we will be playing Cyberpunk 2077. Now you people know, right, Cyberpunk is a very graphic intensive game, and if the PC can handle Cyberpunk at maximum graphics with ray tracing, you can easily play most of the other games, no sweat at all. So in this first clip, we'll be playing the game at 1440p resolution, basically our monitor's native resolution, at very high graphic preset. And in this first clip, Nvidia's technologies like ray tracing, DLSS and frame generation are off. I want to show you the raw potential of the hardware. So there you go, on an average we were getting around like 55 to 60 FPS. Not bad at 1440p resolution, very high graphic preset, without any sort of DLSS or frame generation. We were getting like a consistent and smooth 60 FPS results. But imagine if you just quickly enable ray tracing along with Nvidia's DLSS 3.5 and also frame generation, right? Look at this. This is the kind of results I'm talking about, guys. Where was 5560, and now in this second clip we're almost getting like 105 to 110 FPS with ray tracing at 1440p. Now that is the kind of results you can get on this PC, guys. And not just this, not just 1440p, as I've told you, you can even do 4K gaming as well. Though again, like entry level gaming, because we only have like a 4070 card, right? So anyway, switching it to 4K resolution at very high graphics preset with ray tracing, DLSS and frame generation on, we were getting a consistent 55 to 60 FPS in the middle of Night City in Cyberpunk 2077. So not just content creation, excellent gaming performance as well on this rig. So that's it. This is what I wanted to show you all in this video, an all MSI powered creator workstation PC setup 2024. Before wrapping it up, let me also quickly discuss the pricing details for this PC. Now say if you want to build the exactly same configuration and rig, that too going with the similar all MSI theme, right, this is roughly going to cost you around like 2 lakh to 2,10,000 rupees. I'll leave all the pricing details on the screen, just have a look. Alright, I know you people have been waiting for this part. So at the beginning I've told you, right, by building this PC, you're not just investing in it, but in fact you're also earning at the same time. Well, talking about that, MSI is having a special campaign going on, guys, a special discount campaign, I would say, powered by MSI 2024, where if you buy like MSI components, right, you can earn up to 10,000 rupees Amazon Pay e-gift card voucher. So this offer is going on from 22nd June and will run till 15th of September, and it's very easy to participate in it, guys. All you need to do is buy any two qualifying MSI products under different categories, and you'll need to basically like register them and submit your claims in member center on their website, and that's it, as simple as that. So let me quickly show you how the process goes on the website. You even have a calculator on the website, guys. So before buying itself, you can select the products in different categories and check up to how much cash back you can earn. So once you purchase all the products and build your PC, right, all you need to do is head over to this website and simply log in. If you don't have an account, right, very easy to create, and once you do that, you'll need to submit your invoices. So head over to the promotion section and click on powered by MSI 2024 and upload all the products and also the invoice copies along with their serial number located on the product, and that's it. Bam! Once you do that, wait for like 7 to 14 days and you'll automatically get a mail with your redeemable Amazon gift card coupon code. So I'll leave link to that in the description box below. You can check out all the details over there. So that's it, time to wrap it up. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got all the details and info you were looking for. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.